Check out our newest feature release. This is an e-commerce update, and now when somebody doesn't finish their purchase and they abandon their shopping cart, we now have automatic emails for abandoned shopping carts. Reach out to potential customers who leave items in their cart without completing the purchase. And better yet, these emails are going to make it easy for them to pick up where they left off. Why it matters and how this is going to help you and your business. This update is going to allow you to promptly notify customers about their abandoned carts. It's also going to streamline the recovery process with automated notifications. And now you can tailor those notifications and choose to use either the default template or you can customize in the email builder so that it aligns perfectly with your brand and everything to do with your business. So I'm going to show you exactly where this is located. First, I want you to go to the payments area and the left-hand navigation. And when the upper navigation opens up, I want you to click on settings. Now, once you're in settings, I want you to go to the notifications area. And then you're going to see the abandoned cart. Now, inside of this, you're automatically going to see the default template. You'll also see send after X amount of hours. You can personalize it to be perfect for you. But what I'd like to show you is how to use something more than that default template. So let's go into marketing now. Marketing in the left-hand navigation menu. And then in the upper navigation, when it opens up, I want you to click on emails. And then I want you to go ahead and create a new email. Go ahead and personalize this exactly the way you want it to look. After I show you how to add the custom values, you are going to fall in love with creating this easy, fully branded, lost and abandoned shopping cart email. So once you've got that email all built out the way you like it, go ahead and click on the custom values icon in the upper right-hand corner. From there, now you can select checkout page URL and the product list of what they haven't purchased. So go ahead and select those and add them to your email template. Now, when that email template populates, it's going to show exactly what they left behind as well as an easy way to get back to that shopping cart. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.